Hello guys, so this is a measurement of how to sew a three-tie layered gathered skirt. Oh!
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days.
So let's get right into it. So I went on to knit the side and side and hem the down part of the dress. Then I went on to sew two straight lines for the gathering.
Hate it when my doubts and my fears swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could drown in my tears. Everything's overflowing.
So you pick two string of thread, one from the back side of the fabric, then the other from the front side of the fabric. So you pick two, then you pull it. You pull it to get the gathering effect.
Get it right, get it right. My nerves are working overtime. Tell myself to calm down and breathe. Step out of the shadows, into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment, turn it.
When you're done with the gathering, you put it at the down side of the fabric. The down side of the fabric, then you pin it together.
You just gotta be fearless. 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 Once I get in and I put it in drive.
So when you're done pinning, you put the second layer of the fabric on top. Yes, you put it on top of the fabric, then you pin the second layer to it.
No more stopping me, don't even try. Controlling the chaos, controlling the vibe. Yeah. That's all the shots that you don't take. You'll never be heard if you don't say. Just gotta get out your own way. You can't learn to fly on your own if you don't let go. Step out of the shadows, into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment, turn it up louder. This is what you made for.
After you're done pinning it, you take it to your machine, then you sew it, and you do the same thing to the 3 inches fabric.
Hate it when my doubts and my fears swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could drown in my tears. Everything's overflowing. Scared that I won't get it right, get it right. My nerves are working overtime. Tell myself to calm down and breathe. Step out of the shadows, into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment.
So you're going to put the waistband, the elastic waistband at the front. So you pin it on the 3 inches fabric so that the elastic waistband will be on top of it, so that you can get the complete skirt.
Hate it when my doubts and my fears swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could drown in my tears.
Yeah, this part, look at it closely, okay? How I turned it over to the second layer of the fabric and I stitched it together. So look at it closely. So I'll be doing it again. Yeah. Look at it closest how I did it. Yeah. So I put it on it, then I stitched it together. I pinned it together, then I stitched it together, 3 layered skirts.
Everything's overflowing. Scared that I won't get it right, get it right. My nerves are working overtime. Tell myself to calm down and breathe. Step out of the shadows,
So after you're done stitching it, then you just join it together, then you do your shaping, then the elastic waistband is ready. You attach it to it, then you have your complete 3-layered skirts looking all cute. Yes, so you have your 3-layered skirt looking so cute. It looks so neat and so cute. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Bye.